As my dinosaur, said Harry. They miss me. Would you like to see them? The boy nodded. So Harry said, this is Apatosaurus and my Ankylosaurus and my Ceratosaurus. This is Triceratops and Tyrannosaurus. Pterodactyl is the baby. Wait, where's Stegosaurus?
Ganda mo naman mabasa.
The Stegosaurus called Harry. Don't be shy, but Stegosaurus wanted a whisper.
Said Harry.
Said Harry. Stegosaurus says he will come out, but only if he can ride on you, digger.
Yun, nag-skip po eh. And do you
And
know
do you know
what?
what the body nodded? The boy nodded and passed it over.
Bawal yung camera.
When Harry and the boy do they were.
Si Amar nakikita mo sa video.
Rah!
Parang
Said the dinosaur and blew all the windows open. My goodness, said Miss Rance. That was a rah!
Papanood ko sa YouTube pag mali-mali mga binasa mo.
They all sat down in the classroom. Now we're going to make new labels for our goat pegs, said Mr. Rance. Hands up who knows how to write their name. The boy with the digger put up his hands and what are you going to write? Smiled Miss Rance. Jacosaurus, said the boy. It was the very first word he had spoken all day. And what a good joke too. All the other children laughed and laughed.
Wala may hairband si Amari.
Harry felt very happy. Charlie and Harry. Ang sakit.
Yeah! Nakita ko sa video.
Charlie, Harry, and their new friends, Jack, sat down together at the table with the dinosaur.
Ako naman.
They laughed and they rah.
Ako naman.
They rah. And they made beautiful labels.
And they
show
made beautiful
where they
labels
belong.
to show.
Baka mata mo si Amari, ba't may sugat to? Ito.